Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word tiredness. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After working a long shift, Sarah felt overwhelming tiredness and could hardly keep her eyes open. Tiredness refers to the state of feeling physically or mentally exhausted or fatigued, often resulting from exertion, lack of sleep, or stress. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.